How to get the most out of your Hansen job aid. To find a specific topic, I have included a helpful hint at the beginning of the form. You'll need to click on the View tab of your Microsoft Word document. Once in the View tab, click on Show. Once in the Show drop-down, click on the Navigational pane checkbox. The Navigational pane offers 3 view options. Please choose Headings. Each topic in the navigation pane is a link that will direct you to the subject you are looking for once clicked upon. You may also have noticed that each Smart Search alias is dual-colored. The purple letters are the minimum letters that you can enter into Smart Search, saving you time. Some people may prefer to use a table of contents, which can be found on the last 2 pages of the Hansen job aid. You can use Control and click to navigate to a specific topic.